Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about logic functions, and today I want to concentrate on nested if, how to have more than one if, how to build if in if. So here we have type of employees, and here we have the working days, and here we have the free time, the employees who work less than 10 days, part-time less than 20 days, full-time 20 days or more than 20 days. So here we just have two ifs. Okay, just write here equal sign if the first logic, if it is less than 10, so we write here a free time, and here comma, because it's text I should put it in quotation mark. I write here free time and comma, the next logic if it is not. So instead of writing anything, I use another if. I just write here if this one less than 20, comma. So here we have, if it's less than 20, it is part-time. So if it's more than 20, it's full-time. I just, instead of writing here, I just select this and lock it, comma, the next one, close the bracket. As you can see, we have here for if function we should have two results. If working days are equal to 20, it's the first one, it's part-time. So if they are more than 20, it's full-time. Close the bracket. I just click here. You can see it works magically. Here we have free time. For free time we have free time, we have full time, and we have part time. As you can see, we have two if here in our formula, one if and another one. So I want to repeat this once again here. Example, and here we have the student's name, the final exam result, and here the position. I want to find the result, their position. Here I type here my formula equal sign if the final exam result, if it's greater than 19, so it is, the position is A, comma, another if the final exam result is greater than 80, so it's B, comma, the next one, if it's, oops, we should write here if first, if the next logic, if final exam is greater than 70, so the result is C. I write here C, comma, another if final exam, if it is greater than 60, so the result is D. If the people final exam result is less than 60, so there, comma, if. How many F's do we have? We have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I should close the bracket 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last one should be somehow black, and after that I just enter. You can see it works magically. So about the color, I have used conditional formatting before here, and here we have like A, it's 92, it's A, 85 B, 98 A. Yeah, greater than 90 we have A, in greater than 80 we have B, greater than 60 we have D, and here we have C for 70s. So that's it. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.